Thank you. And I'll echo my colleague, Senator Taylor's comments, and I appreciate all of your great work and of course, your team's great work. We had this similar conversation yesterday morning in the Public Safety Subcommittee. I'll just take the liberty to say I'm glad that my colleagues are coming together tomorrow to pass legislation to fund the $218 million that we need to pay for wildfire. Of course, I'm grateful for the work that you're doing in the work group to come up with solutions to pay for wildfire. I just want to, as I did yesterday, encourage my colleagues and others that as we look for those solutions, and those that are watching out in TV land, that when you have a state of Oregon with a 10-year average of 13 to 2023 that has roughly 82% of the land of the acres burned in Oregon is on the federal landscape, and of the 18% of acres burned not on federal lands but private lands, 15% of those acres are burned because of fires that are coming off federal lands to those private lands at no compensation to that private landowner from the federal government. And of the 3% of fires that actually start on private land and burn on private land, 98% of those fires are kept to less than 100 acres. And so to make the 3% pay for 97% of the problem is not a solution. So as we move forward, I know that your group and committee, and appreciate Senator Gerard being a de facto member on that committee and the work that you're doing. I look forward to solutions that will fit the all-Oregon solution, as you have mentioned. And finally, the ancillary problems to these that everyone knows and is, we see increased insurance rates on our rural homeowners that are devastating rural communities, that are impacting housing affordability and housing stocks. And I really believe, and I've said before, the opportunity for us, our western states, we have natural disasters. Our western states' natural disasters are wildfire. There is not a better wildfire or firefighting crew than Oregon Department of Forestry and the Oregon State Fire Marshal in the 13 western states that I know of, and I'm grateful for all of your work and your collaborative efforts. We need federal support to make sure that we front-load resources to our USFS, BLM, and partnership with ODF, growing Good Neighbor Authority that Senate Republican Leader Bonham and I drafted and passed in 2018, and get that work within the WUIs so that we can do the fuels reduction strategies, ladder fuel reduction, thinning, prescribed fire, and then move out so that we can protect our communities. And we'll have more information on that in January, because I'm not prepared to, it hasn't been announced yet, but I think we have opportunities that are coming forward for that. So thank you.